Hey guys, this is me Adit back on Ancient, and today I'm going to be shooting a video on how to make a challenging little King Baldwin IV mask from the Kingdom of Heaven movie. And it's going to be challenging in the sense that we're going to be using a lot of 3D shapes. So for this one, I'm not going to be using an ordinary A4 because I don't think it will be thick enough to hold on to a 3D structure for a long time. So I'm going to be using this cartridge paper just because it's going to be more durable in the long run. So I'm gonna fold it in half, then at the top right here I'm gonna make the rough design of the mask's top part. So our forehead is gonna be that big, and then we've got the eyebrows right there, leading up to the nose. Then the nose itself is fairly long, longer than mine, so it's gonna go up to that size. And then this is going to be our 3D nose effect giving piece right here. So we are going to fold this later on. Also, the eye is going to be right below. Somewhat like that. And this little piece will come sticking out so we can attach it to the bottom part. Now I'm going to be utilizing the remaining part right here to create the lower part of the face. So the eye will continue right there. Let's do this again. I'm going to cut out a little part for my actual nose so I can breathe through it right there. Which will give me some room for making the mouth. And I'm going to give like a little opening for the mouth as well. Should make this lower. I forgot that this isn't the actual length of the nose. It's about that big. Okay, let me quickly cut this out and I'll see when it's done. So here's our initial cutout. Now next thing I'd like to do is add some designs to this before I ship it, and I realized that I made the nose a little bit too big, but I hope that doesn't affect us. There's one last thing I need to do, which is cut out the mouth. Alright, so let's quickly add some designs to this, and yeah, I'll see when that's done. So this one took a while, like about half an hour or so, probably even more. I had to like do all the details, but I used pencil, so I'm not quite certain if this is gonna turn out okay, but let's give it a try. So first up, I'd like to make a fold right around there. Actually, the mouse looks like it doesn't even need a fold there. Perhaps right there. I think that's even required. Well, let's make a fold like this then. We'll decide if we want to fold it any other way later on, but for now this is all. Curl it inwards. Let's add some folds on this side as well. These are going to be the forehead folds, the planes of the upper head, just like that. And I think we are good to go. So what I'm going to do next is attach these two pieces together. Starting with the nose, actually. So right around there looks good. And grab some tape. let's attach the other portion just like this. Just gotta make sure it's symmetrical. Okay, so we have that down. Next, let's add some black tape at the back to finish it off, make it look smoother. Right now I'm curving the eye part so it looks like it's sunken in. And now I think I need some black tape. So I'm going to put one piece right there to cover up the nose opening and the eye opening both at once, and the other piece for the other eye. Perfect. So from the front it looks pretty clean now, and that is how you make a 3D mask, specifically the Baldwin IV mask. So I don't think I need to do any folds. It looks pretty decent as it is. It has that mask looking feel to it. I'm gonna add some tape at the front to secure the eyes a bit better. Also, I'm going to add some tape above the black tape so that the sticky part doesn't get dusty and then it will look all brown. Just going to add some more tape. And I'm going to curve the lower eye as well using just ordinary fingers. No fancy work here. And just like that, we have our mask completed. So that's about it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next videos, and share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.